Hello everyone, today I am going to make a slightly different rice. It is very easy to make and delicious. Try it yourself. Meat, seafood, vegetable can be made from anything. Today I am going to make it with chicken. So let's start making. Add oil. Add 500 grams chopped onion. Add salt 3 teaspoons. Mix little. Add 10 escaped green chili pods and 5 dry lemon. Add 50 grams of ginger paste and garlic paste 100 grams. Add turmeric powder 3 teaspoons. Kashmiri chili powder 5 teaspoons. Garam masala 5 teaspoons. Black pepper 3 teaspoons. Chicken stock powder 5 teaspoons. Majboos masala 10 teaspoons. Mix little. Add the blended tomatoes 500 grams. Cook a little. Add 3 kilograms chicken. Cook a little without adding water. Add little water. Coriander leaves 50 grams. Add little water. Add washed and drained rice 4 kilograms. Can you see the water level? Mix well. Rice is half boiled. Check the water level again. Cover with aluminum foil and lid. Cook on low heat for 20 minutes. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, keep it subscribed. Food is ready. Thanks for watching.